nhỏ rong ya trộn đu rồi ít trộn nhẹ cho chị phong như mỏ chùa cú tháo ở cái trong non đau cơn gầu li ở cái chân chỉ sẽ là click cái những video mình nó sai thế giờ hai tia khó từ cú ở chỉ tàu trời cái cho cái nhẹ là ya có lúc sẽ xa là giả lúc chỉ bù đồ cú thế nhưng mình son đau khai khai rồi cú thế bao khó thế ở trong lúc năng bị xua chỉ hai cái giờ tụ gấu tụ mùa tụ giờ gì tụ rong phong rong dư nhau trong lúc tết trời từ là của thằng cái tết của cái trong năm đầu họ giả lúc chỉ bu cho cụ thia nhưng mà son đầu kia cho cụ giờ linh đầu bé mà chỉ cho sai khó video chuẩn gì mù của châu nhau trong đó có okay so now been too long been close to 10-13 years haven't played no more so the table is really getting old so today I'm gonna play again my wife because nobody here yet so I'm gonna play again her to see we're gonna race to like 3 or 5 games to see how it is. So we're gonna play 8 ball. 8 ball. Nothing in. Maybe you wanna come see, you could come out here and just sit the chair close to the heat. So okay? So wear your shoes, sit there, get eye on. If she won't beat me, I'm gonna sleep supper bed.
You talk too much. You know they talk from the game.
Okay. What you got?
So
Solid? Oh my god, then you lock me out. I'm dead meat. What the? Don't had I get locked out, so I really. Yeah, I'm gonna go 12 all the way to right corner. Yay, lucky. Woo. My goodness, that was super day. On block. Yeah. I lock myself out like this. See? Really nothing there. Good turn. The ornament there. The thing I see it. I don't want to put it. Nice shot. Super. Nice shot. You're good. Oh my god, not too far. Okay. Then I lock myself out under my ankle. So gonna be side pocket. Yay, lucky that win. Whew, but she's really good. Only one. So my battery on the GoPro gonna out. Right there, that's with play real. Whew. So, and not only but whatever gonna make to end. What the hell? She's good on that one right there. What? Oh, what kind of style is that? She trying to beat me, and no matter what, I'm gonna do something for her. Ah! Okay, get mad already. Get mad already. Oh. Okay, they're not my ball and nothing like that. Stop right there! Yeah, a little bit more. Nice shot. Softer. Good try. Whew. My good night. My favorite is like that. It doesn't call favorite.